I'm all set up. I've just spent like an hour tidying the desk and everything. And desks, my desk is one kind of long continuous desk. Stretches that far as well with the, don't look, with the sewing machine on. But yeah, so I've got all my kits from Andrea and Tracie's collaboration printed out. I have my usual stuff to hand, glue, blah de blah, stamps, my tub with spare scraps of material in, lace and stuff, don't think we'll need it, but some matte gel medium, some vintage washi tapes, bits of material probably won't use. I have a tub here with, what have I got in? Oh, bulb pins, black ones and silver ones. Them are my punches, hole punches. I have 2 bags here with long strips of scraps. That's scrap music paper, that's just scrap all sorts of paper, and some glossy photo paper. I'm going to use them to back some of the smaller tags because I think the big ones are too wide for them. Sorry if I'm making you seasick. Then I've got a tub here that is nothing but Tracie and Andrea stuff. So these, in these tubs here, are Tracie labels, as everybody refers to them as. There is some other bags in there with Tracie labels in. There is stuff in there from Andrea at ARTYmaze, mainly freebie stuff in there from her Facebook page and website. I doubt I'll be needing that because I don't think it'll tie in with anything, but it's in there anyway. This bag here has nothing but scraps in from Tracie's kits and a couple of various kits and her tag toppers kits. They're all in there. That's from previous projects. Then I have a tub here with some eyelets in, rose gold, silver and like a goldy bronzy colour, some twine, actually I think it's more like jute, same thing really basically, some silvery beads. Then I've got nothing but stickers in there. They are a bundle of new sets of washi stickers that I purchased. In here are 25 inch. If you see here, I have a tape measure pinned to the front of my desk. It's 25 inches in length. These are strips, 25 inches long, of all the new laces and trims and stuff that I got from the Ribbon Room website the other day that I did a video on previously. I have 2 tubs here full of neutral scraps, what I call neutral ones. These are all the sides of pages offcut from the that journal that actually is out now this weekend. I'm doing it as a full series this weekend. Video number 2 is out today. 3 will be out tomorrow. They're all the offcuts from the sides of the pages. These are all just scraps, neutral scraps, tea dyed scraps, packing paper, some doily. There's a bit of stenciling, sorry, on that paper. So I'm sticking with neutrals. The kits are they're not fussy enough, but you know, decorated enough. My large crocodile, my handheld crocodile, and then some more of the laces and trims here just in case. That's all scrap rubbish. I've kind of just moved everything that way. Yeah, so this is everything I have to hand that I think I might need or want to use during this project. Now, many of you guys will know, Andrea and Tracie have set a challenge. Sorry, one sec, just let me put you back in the cradle. Okay, back, sorry. Yeah, as I was saying, as most of you guys will know, or some of you guys will know, Andrea and Tracie have just released a new kit together. They've been working together again and just released a brand new kit called the FAB-rication kit. And it is amazing. Amazing. There are 21 pages altogether. So let me sit down. Both kits combined, there are 21 pages that they have come up with. and it is amazing. This will be an absolutely fantastic kit for a beginner. I would have moved heaven and earth for a kit like this when I first started out in the junk journaling world. But yes, just it's awesome. Every page has tags on, and well, not every page has tags on, but the majority of the pages have tags on, and then there's all these little bits, nooks and crannies. They've just literally filled the page with stuff. So there's that one, and I'm not sure if I'm right, but I counted in total 50 tags of all shapes and sizes. I might be wrong, but I'm sure I counted 50. So wow, and these are it. They're already kind of embellished, not embellished, decorated, backgrounded. Yep, all these all over. I have no idea whose is whose. I printed them out and then just, you know, mixed them up and put them together. So I believe this one's Andrea's actually, but yeah. But see, they've already done the backgrounds for us. All we need to do is embellish. For the challenge, all we need to do is embellish in whatever way we wish, and then, like I said, on every page they've filled the gaps with all these little ephemera bits, embellishments. But wow, just look at it, it's amazing. These tags are literally, challenge aside, the tags are literally just print and go. Honestly, I mean, yeah, you could, these are a bit plain, so you could stick a label on it or whatever, but that is it. That sometimes that's all they need, just a label or something, and you're done. Put a tag topper on. It's just amazing. So yeah, some are a bit simple like these, some are a little bit more decorated, but it's amazing. For the challenge though, we have to embellish. We don't have to embellish in a big way, just in some form or another we have to embellish. The challenge is to do as many tags, small ones, excuse me, as many tags as we can within 30 days of the challenge. Andrea and Tracie, Andrea is ARTYmaze for those who don't know, Andrea and Tracie, and of course Tracie is Tracie Fox LoveJunk Journals for the other people who don't know. Andrea and Tracie are aiming to do 100 tags in 30 days. They're doing the kind of doing their own 100-day challenge, but 100 in 30 days instead of 100 days. I, however, have decided, in all my wisdom, I am going to do the 100-day challenge, and I already have it set, planned in my head and everything. My challenge will start on the 13th of July. This tag challenge goes on to the 18th of July, I think. It will be the 18th of July because they started it on the 18th of June. I'm kind of like a day and a half, 2 days behind. Yeah. So I am aiming to have all of my 100 tags. I really hope I can get 100 done within that time scale, but within 24 days, because that's how long I've got until my 100-day challenge starts. If I get them done, I get them done. If I don't, I don't. I'll do as many as I can. But I worked it out that I think I need to do about 4 to 5 tags a day, every day, to get it done within the 24 days. No pressure. But yeah, and then we've got a full page there of ephemera and embellishments. These are Tracie's. I'm positive these are Tracie's. I love that butterfly, and I've actually just used that butterfly myself in my own kit that I've just made. I love that butterfly. But yes, so eek. I love it. Mushrooms, more butterflies, more mushrooms, some tags, and some of the numbers. And that's it, guys. There is a lot of stuff. Now, as I said, I am slightly behind with the challenge because we're on day 2 now, I believe. They launched it and everything on the 18th, but I think a lot of people started yesterday on the 19th. Today is the 20th, Saturday the 20th. I am hoping to have this video edited and up today, but I don't know if my watch will show it properly. But it is now 4 minutes past 5 PM here in the UK. So chances are it's very unlikely going to be up today because I need to do... No, it's not. I know it's not. Definitely not going to be up today. I need to cut all this out for a start. Then I need to make yesterday's and today's bunch of tags. Oh my gosh. So this one will go up tomorrow with, I don't know, it'll be up anyway. I will eventually catch up. You might get 2 or 3 videos in one day maybe until I've caught up. But I am aiming, this is my priority now until it's done. I am aiming to get 1 video up a day, every day for the next 24 days. Except it's now, is it 23 or 22 days? Whatever. 1 video a day, every day till the 13th, to the 12th of July. And then on the 13th, my 100 day tag challenge will start. Now, I am going to now cut off and get on with this project, but I'm going to make it, the rest of this, no speaking. In fact, I'll put this video up now just to explain what I'm doing, and then you'll know to look out for the other videos. But yeah, pretty much, there might be the odd one where I do talk if I get chance, but because I've got such a lot to do in a short space of time, it will be easier and quicker for me if I don't talk while I'm doing it. I'll just pop some music of my own on in the background here while I'm working, because I'm more productive when I've got some chill out music or whatever on in the background. And then for you guys, when I edit the video, again, I'll knock my sound off and I'll add my usual odd music choices. Not so much odd music, but, you know, random music choices. Yeah, so not every video will have talking in it. Some of them may not. All of them may not, I don't know. You'll just have to wait and see, kind of watch every video as it comes. So, wish me luck, guys. Right, I'll see you later. Bye.